I'm Carl here from Competition Auto. I wanted to give a shout out to Scott at Weld Wheels for giving us these wheels ASAP. Let's start off with the tires first. On the front tire, we're just going to be running a Bridgestone. It's a 235/50/20. It's not a super skinny runner, but it makes it pretty safe, so we have some stopping power even on street. Alright, so the front wheel is going to be a 20/7. For those of you who ain't seen these in 20s yet, there it is. I think it looks pretty darn good. So these are going to be our front tires, front wheels. And of course for the back, we're going to be running our Mickey Thompson ET Street R's. These are going to be a 315/50/17. Let's see what we got for the back wheels. Of course, bead lock. And there it is. So if you notice, this isn't a 5-star, it's a 6-star. F-150s are 6-lug. These are the Ventura wheels. These are 17/10s in the rear. Like I said, 20/7s in the front. Give you an idea what it's going to look like. There it is. I'm pretty happy with it. I think it looks pretty good. We'll get these babies mounted soon and get a picture of what it looks like on the truck.